I'm going to go back to laptops real quick, if you don't mind. It's kind of a laptop-centric episode, but that's because a lot of stuff is happening in laptops right now. We'll type in the Omen X2S from HP. Omen X2S. It is a very weird laptop. So this thing, look at this, 9 hours ago. Again, HP, they don't care about us. They don't give us a chance to look at this laptop. But they get Engadget instead. Nothing wrong with that. I appreciate it. They got some nice photos for us to look at, so we'll shout them out. Engadget, there you go. Look at this insane thing. What's going on here? This kind of reminds me, this is like the smartphone marketplace where it's becoming harder and harder to differentiate one product from the next. You could say the same to a certain extent with gaming laptops. I mean, we could have Dave 2D in here. He'll tell you what's what. He'll be upset, angry. This one just adds a display for not much of a reason. I mean, it has a reason, and it does have a cool factor. It does look cool. But apparently on this display, you could put Discord, you could browse music on Spotify, you could stream Twitch or YouTube. You could set up dedicated hotkeys. So basically, above the keyboard on this laptop, the Omen X2S 15 from HP, there's a 6-inch display which works in tandem with your actual 15-inch display. And on that display, you can see different aspects. You can see the specs, the status of your laptop, the temperature that it's running at, or you could use it for hotkeys. You could use it for a number pad. It's another touch screen above your keyboard on your laptop. It's a kind of a cool look, but as far as functionality is concerned, could be a gimmick. Could be. I don't know. I could try it out in real life. Maybe there's a great use for it. Of course, one thing to note, because they've done this, they've shifted the keyboard all the way down to the edge, like some other gaming laptops out there. Some people like this. Some people do not. So the keyboard itself comes to the very bottom edge of the laptop, and the trackpad moves over to the right-hand side. We've seen this before on some other laptops. Some people love it. Some people hate it. But that's the way it's implemented here. So another weird gaming laptop. That thing's going to be expensive.